Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at how to hire experienced and apprentice technicians in the skilled trades industry and screen them. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Ask anyone who owns a business in the skilled trades what their biggest challenge has been over the past few years, and you're likely to hear the same thing. It's becoming increasingly difficult to find and hire skilled employees. While the decline in young people going into the skilled trades has been on the rise, we hope this video gives you a leg up when it comes to finding new employees. We'll start at the first place most businesses start, the job listing. So, how do we get the attention of potential talent in the job wanted ads that we put online? There are many platforms, such as ZipRecruiter, Indeed, CareerPlug, and many other sites that claim they can attract good talent. But what will make your company stand out of the crowd to attract old and new technicians alike? Finding a skilled technician that already has experience is the most difficult, unless you get lucky and find an experienced technician that's willing to relocate. If you cannot find skilled technicians like 95% of the companies out there, then you must look for good candidates to train as apprentices. So what can you do to stand out and attract talent? First, for skilled technicians, you can start by offering a signing bonus of $5,000 or any amount that you feel necessary to attract experienced technicians. Signing bonuses are a great way to get the attention of a potential skilled technician that may be looking to transition from another company. Remember, when offering a signing bonus, that does not mean that you must pay them the full bonus amount up front. Like many other industries, and even the military, you can customize your bonus to your company needs. Some institutions break it down over a 5-year period. For example, $1,000 per year with specific guidelines in a contract that the technician must meet to get their annual $1,000 bonus. Many of the younger generation, the millennials and zoomers that are looking to train to be a technician, are motivated by time off or vacation time. Offering larger vacation time is a huge incentive to attract younger technicians. We live in a different world today, and the younger generation is more motivated by time off than they are by the money. Although they want the money, they would rather have the time off if the option was there. So out of the gate, offer a decent amount of vacation time. As for apprentice technicians that will need training, you will receive a lot of applications, and you must know how to screen them carefully to save time. The first thing to do when screening applicants is to have them complete a mechanical training skills test. There are many websites that offer these skills tests. The test provided by Indeed usually takes 7 to 10 minutes for the applicant to complete. This test will give you a gauge of their basic mechanical abilities. You want to make sure the applicant can turn a screwdriver and has some mechanical ability before you even consider bringing them in for an interview, let alone training. In some cases, they may have a fantastic personality but lack any mechanical skill. While it will be a huge challenge to turn them into a productive technician, it will be much more difficult to teach a technician personable skills. Since this technician will be engaging with customers and representing your business, you may decide to take the risk if you feel they could learn the mechanical end quickly. The second thing that you must do is check that they are safe drivers. Most online application portals have the option to ask a question if the applicant has a valid driver's license. Even if an applicant answers yes, you will want to verify this through your insurance provider. Your insurance provider can email you an authorization form that the applicant can fill out. Always get this form signed before asking your insurance agent to run their license for liability issues. Even if the applicant has a valid license, make sure they have less than 4 points on their driving record. Most insurance companies will not let a driver on your policy with 6 points or more. So if you hire an applicant with 4 points and 1 or 2 weeks later they get another speeding ticket for 2 points, then they will not be eligible to drive and run service calls. If you have an applicant with 4 points, your insurance agent can tell you when the points will be dropped. Normally, most states drop 2 points every 2 years from your license. At this point, you should have a clear understanding if this applicant is a good fit for your company. If the applicant makes it this far, it's time to hold an interview. Cut to the chase and eliminate phone calls. go directly to a video meeting. You can then see the applicant face to face, and then decide if you want to do a second interview in person. Many people sound great on the phone, and it's always good to see who will be representing your company before a sit-down interview. After the video meeting, if you like the applicant, your next step is to do a national background check. There are many companies that can do these background checks for only $30 to $60. If the background check comes up clean, then you can bring in the applicant for an in-person interview. And when interviewing the applicant, it helps to list all your benefits on paper and then total the benefit package at the bottom of the page. This is a real eye-opener to the potential applicants. Most applicants have no idea how much benefits are worth unless you educate them. Some items that you may wish to include as benefits are paid training until they become a factory certified technician is an annual average benefit of $59,000 to $65,000. Additional schooling or travel expenses that will be needed for continuing education is an average annual benefit of $9,000 to $13,000. Supplies and maintaining a company vehicle they take home daily with a company gas card is an average annual benefit of $17,000 to $19,000. Health insurance for the employee is an average annual benefit of $4,000 to $5,000. Company cell phone with internet data package is an average annual benefit of around $1,000 to $1,500. 100% of the health savings account contributions you make after the first year of employment is an average annual benefit of $3,000 to $4,000. 1 to 3 weeks paid vacation time per year is an annual benefit of $1,200 to $1,700. A laptop with wireless internet access for company use only is an average annual benefit of $1,000 to $2,000. A company uniform, including 5 pairs of pants, 7 shirts, and work boots, is an average annual benefit of $500 to $700. This example benefit package shows the new technician their benefits are about $46,000 a year. And if you're happy with the abilities of the applicant, and if they're enticed by the job potential and benefits, then it should be very clear by this point if you should offer them the position or not. So let's walk through an overview of what we've just discussed. 1. Create an enticing job listing for skilled technicians by offering a signing bonus. 2. Offer 2 weeks of vacation time at start to appease a younger applicant. 3. Do an online skills test to see if they have basic mechanical abilities. 4. Do a driver's license check through your insurance agent. 5. Go directly to a video meeting and eliminate the need for phone calls. 6. Do a national background check. 7. Finally, hold a sit-down interview and list out the benefits for the potential hire. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.